Some iPhone users are confusing that what happens when you do reset network settings. This tutorial you can know about. Which settings remove when you do reset network settings. Which settings will not remove. How we to do reset network settings. When we need to do. Alternate to reset network settings. Is reset network settings is harmful or not? Firstly, let's see. Which settings remove when you do reset network settings. Reset network setting will completely remove all stored internet and networking related data on your devices. Settings like hotspot, wireless display, and AirDrop, on iOS, will be untouched. All saved Wi-Fi network names and passwords. Bluetooth device, connections and preferences. The Bluetooth devices already paired to your device are removed from your paired devices list. And also remove your Bluetooth preferences like the visibility timeout. As well as your Bluetooth display name, which would appear on other devices, get reset to default settings. APN and VPN settings, like recently used server names and login passwords. Also, it turns off the VPN and forgets all the VPN networks. Local history, and preferences. Cellular settings. Cellular settings include your preferred mobile network type, 2G, 3G, LTE, 4G. And it sets the network selection mode to automatic. As well as it turns off data roaming. And clears the data usage statistics. Mobile device management, MDM, are removed. And now let's see. Which settings or data not removed. Resetting network settings on iPhone will not delete any mobile carrier functionality or account information. It will not delete any web browser data, such as your browsing history or saved bookmarks. A network settings reset will not delete any files, folders, or other media stored on your device. How to do reset network settings on iPhone. To do this, head to Device Settings app. Select General from iPhone Settings page. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone option at the bottom of the page. Then tap on Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Then enter screen time passcode. After that, again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Apple logo will appear and restart your device. Wait for few moments, you will be done with it. When we need to do reset network settings on iPhone. Your Wi-Fi disconnects frequently, so you constantly need to reconnect it to your device. The phone signal gets interrupted. Even though you have high-speed internet, your Wi-Fi works extremely slowly. VPN fails to connect to a server. The Bluetooth is experiencing issues connecting with your devices. Mobile data turns on automatically. iPhone network not working. No service. iMessage or FaceTime not working. iPhone not syncing. Alternate to reset network settings. Before reset network settings, you can apply these methods to fix the issue. Restart your device. Turn airplane mode on and off again. Check your internet on another device. Reboot your modem and router. Install the latest version of iOS. An app update. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.